Hi, in this video, we will write a story based on a cool picture from Benny Productions.
We're a learning channel, so we want you to read along.
Benny Productions modified this picture in a video. We liked it so much, we had to create a story around it. See how the main character changes. Backed into a corner, Priest had few choices. The villagers had ran away, too many of them had been lost or taken. Priest didn't run. He had fought and bled in battle. And he had seen his team fall in battle before. But this time was different, now he was standing alone. He had no choice but to open the ancient book and repeat the forbidden incantation or fall like his friends. His friends had come to save the world, as they had done many times before. The enemies they had faced when they were younger were just local criminals. Then came the weekend egomaniacs with advanced technology, and the threats they faced got bigger. One time, they even faced aliens. That was a good weekend. His team always beat the odds. They always had one-liners ready for the win. And they always went for shawarma afterwards like their heroes did in a movie once. This time was different. This time his team had fallen. Even the villagers had abandoned them. This time it was not technology or aliens. This time it was demons and hell let loose. They never prepared for this. They didn't even know about demons, and it cost them everything. He had no choice, his hand was raised and he began the incantation. The book glowed green and he could feel its power. The demons turned towards him as if they noticed something different. Priest knew what the demons would do next. He had seen what happened to his friends. He began to tremble as he spoke. As Priest continued repeating the incantation, his feelings began to change. Now, the demons filled him with no fear. He felt only determination. Was this the power of the incantation or was it madness? Why was it forbidden? It did not matter. A familiar red liquid had pooled on the floor around his feet. It was from his friends. His mind raced, repeating the incantation again and again, as if possessed. Each time he repeated it, it became more powerful, and he became more powerful too. He could feel it taking over. Priest kept repeating the incantation, whilst standing amongst what remained of his friends. Now, he would not just drive the demons back. He would obliterate them. They deserved it. But no, he had to stop. This was ancient dark magic taking over his soul. His eyes started to flicker green, then back to normal. He must not be taken over by the incantation. He had to stay true to himself. He looked around for help, feeling he was slipping, but there was no one. Not one of his friends was moving. His eyes filled with tears. His heart filled with sadness. Then rage. He had no choice. Priest kept repeating the incantation. His friends had warned him about the forbidden incantation. His friends had wanted to send the demons back to hell. His friends were gone. Saving them no longer mattered. Priest kept repeating the incantation. His fear had gone, and revenge began to drive him. His mouth watering at the delicious taste of vengeance. His darkest desires came forth. He no longer fought against the incantation. His eyes glowed a brighter green, and the chamber glowed around him. The demons slowed their advance, as if they realized Priest was more malevolent than them. The incantation washed over Priest's soul. Standing now, at full force, he advanced towards the demons. The demons tried to get away, but it was too late for them. Priest crushed one demon, then another, smiling as he did it. The demons howled and ran, but he destroyed them all. When the last demon had been destroyed, the chamber was silent. He looked around. The demons were gone. His friends were gone. Even Priest had gone. He had changed completely. His eyes, permanent green. He had come to save the village. But now he wanted vengeance. The villagers had ran away. They deserved punishment. And he would give it to them. His brand of punishment. His brand of vengeance. He left the silent chamber and headed towards the village in a quiet rage. As he walked onwards, looking for vengeance, he realized the name, Priest, no longer seemed to fit. He was not for absolution. He was for vengeance. He wondered, was this an ending, or an origin story? Thank you for reading Origin of Vengeance. What should happen next? Subscribe and tell us. Thank you.